Alright, Dad, I have to do this over again. So, we start again at youtube.com. I've already found a song that I believe should work. This is another song that I hope would work. It's by Toni Braxton. Come on over here. Okay, so this is the second conversion tool that I would like for you to use if you have a problem with the first one. You shouldn't really have a problem with the first one, although if you just keep running into difficulty with your songs not downloading, you can always try this website with the same song. If it doesn't download or if it doesn't work, then it's probably just not going to work. You're going to find some roadblocks with this because some songs just simply won't convert. I've been sitting here for the past like hour, 2 hours trying to get certain songs to convert and it just doesn't work. So, starting from onlinevideoconverter.com, you come to this website, you'll see these three buttons at the top. You always choose convert a video link slash URL. It will take you to this page, onlinevideoconverter.com forward slash video dash converter, and you'll see two boxes. The first box is where you paste your link. So again, you come over to your song that you found, you left click to get it to highlight, you right click, you get the drop down box, you always select copy, then you come back to your conversion tab, your video conversion tab, you left click in the top box, you'll see the box get a little blue highlight, and then you right click into it, you hit paste. You can again double check just to make sure your link is right. Capital V, capital L dash T, capital V, capital L dash T. So it's the right link. So then we go ahead and we click start. It's going to say preparing your conversion. And then it says your video is being processed. It go from 0 to 100%. That's how you know it works on this website. Once it's done, it will take you to another page. The page will look like this. The stylistics hurry up this way again. And then these boxes will go blue once it's ready to download. So you click download. Again, just let it do its thing. You'll see that your song has downloaded down here at the bottom. You always want to X that out. So click show in folder. This is going to bring up the downloads folder, because remember in the first video I said whenever you download a file from the internet, it always goes into your downloads folder. So we can minimize this window up here. We can drag this one over a little bit to the right by left clicking on this gray space, holding it and just moving it to the right. Then you want to open up your music folder. You can drag that one down. You can left click and drag the file here. You'll see it say move to music. If you let it go, it will move it over there. But I want to show you a simpler way. The easiest way is to just left click and hold the file, drag it over here, and you'll say move to music. So once you let it go, it moves. You already have this song, so we're not gonna move it. I didn't realize you already had that song, so we'll just delete that song. Yes, and we'll go try this other song. So convert again. It's going to take you back to the home page. Again, you click on convert a video link or URL. It will take you back to the video conversion link, page. So now let's try this Toni Braxton song. left click in the top, right click into it, click copy, left click into the box, right click, hit paste, and then start. Hopefully it works. Okay, the video cannot be converted. Please try another link. So that video it's not gonna go. It's not gonna work. We're gonna try another Toni Braxton song. And we'll try another.
Our sale email this month looks great. The store?
I'm just letting the videos load up right now. Don't really want to mess with it too much. Make it slow up even more. Again, like I said, it's not really necessary for it to load all the way through. That doesn't really matter. You just need the link. So left click in the top to get it to highlight. We right click, hit copy, come back to our converter. We left click into the top box. We right click and then we hit paste on our drop down. And then we'll hit start. It will prepare the conversion, and alright, we got one. So your video is being processed. It's going to go from 0 to 100. And then you click download. Once it turns blue, you let it do its thing, and then you'll see down here at the bottom left hand corner, boom, it's done. So now, since we already have our downloads folder open still, we don't need to click here and say show in folder, because it's just going to open up this same folder which we already have open. So if you're doing multiple songs at a time, as long as you have opened up your downloads folder once, you don't need to open it up again. But it's the same deal. We left click Toni Braxton, we left click and hold, and then we move it over to music. And once we see this move to music box come up, we just let it go. And then you click open to your music folder, and if you want to search for it, Toni Braxton, Toni Braxton, another sad love song. So that's it. We downloaded another song successfully. Let's go back into this Eddie Kendrick song, see if it's going to work for us. Convert again. Convert a video link or URL. Click the link, left click the link to highlights, right click, hit copy, come back to your converter, left click the box, right click, paste, and then we hit start. Your video is being processed. Alright, so we got another one. It's going to go from 0 to 100. And then once it's done, it's going to take us to the download page. Click download. It will come up with the download tab, and then it'll go away. You'll see it shoot down here to your bottom bar. Eddie Kendricks. Alright, so it's done. So now we minimize this. We see Eddie Kendricks here, Intimate Friends. So we left click and hold Eddie Kendricks. We move it to our music and we let it go. Sometimes you'll see this box come up if the file is a little bit bigger, but most of the time you don't see that box come up. If you do see it, just let it do its thing. Alright, so it's done moving now. We click into our music. We look for this Eddie Kendricks song. Alright, Eddie Kendricks, Intimate Friends. So there you go, that's another song we successfully downloaded. So again, just want to repeat that every file or every song that you find on YouTube is not going to work. It's not going to convert. So you just either have to try to find another link of the same song and try to get that one to convert, or if you can't, you can use another conversion website like the one that I showed you in the first video. And if it's still not working there, I would just give up on the song, because you don't want to waste too much time trying to get a song to work or download and convert. That's just not going to convert. Again, Pop, if you have any other questions, just let me know. I love you and good night.